Language. What is the meaning of language? Do you control it? Or does it control you? Some say that language is a virus, multiplying through our DNA, creating societies of beings that use languages. With technology, we ourselves started creating machines that use languages, and we invented new languages to operate these machines. Today, we have radio, TV, cell phones, satellites, the internet. Never before has language been so powerful. No one knew how, when, or why these things started multiplying. But they kept spreading, just like a bad rash. In a matter of days, they could be seen everywhere, their numbers growing each second. But what is a virus? Why do they multiply? What is the purpose? What is the meaning? No one actually knew what these things were up to, but it was damn clear that they had their own hidden agenda.
Ha 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 ha!